And this video is for the JZBRAIN pot filler. This is a Faucet, stainless steel Faucet wall mount pot filler. It folds, brushed nickel, super heavy duty, very durable. It bends and pivots right here at the middle section. You can actually also, there's a lock screw there. And it has a first valve is right here next to the wall. Okay, and your second valve is right here. Also can take out the screen to clean it. Comes with directions, as well as your screws and wall anchors, and then your trim kit that will go over the wall or against the wall. So that's what it would look like on the wall. But a good high quality. So let's check it out on the wall. Attach it with that ring, that's what it would look like. Extends pretty far, but that's what it looks like. Has a good weight to it.